Welcome back to Beautyistic, your go-to spot for all things beauty and skincare. Today, we're diving into the luxurious world of La Mer with their Genaissance Le Balm Night Concentrate, a highly praised product that promises to enhance your skin while you sleep. Let's break it down and see if it lives up to the hype. The Genaissance Le Balm Night Concentrate is a 50ml night balm designed to work while you sleep, tackling visible signs of aging and skin fatigue. This product features La Mer's renowned Miracle Broth, an exclusive formula aimed at nourishing and revitalizing the skin. It's designed to help improve skin's resilience, texture, and hydration. The balm itself has a rich, luxurious texture that promises to melt into the skin overnight for a more rested, refreshed appearance by morning. Using the balm is a truly indulgent experience. The texture is thick, but it absorbs quickly without feeling greasy, leaving a soft, hydrated feel on the skin. After a week of use, I started to notice that my skin felt smoother and more plump, almost like I'd gotten a full night's rest, even on days I hadn't. However, on nights when I used too much, I did notice it left a slightly sticky residue, which may not be for everyone. Now, let's break down the pros and cons. On the positive side, this product does exactly what it promises. It hydrates deeply, improves skin texture, and gives that refreshed, plump look. It's also incredibly soothing, which makes it great for nighttime use, especially if you're looking for a bit of relaxation before bed. However, it's not without its drawbacks. The price is definitely steep, and while the formula is luxurious, some users might find that it's not entirely necessary for younger skin or those not looking for anti-aging benefits. The stickiness I mentioned earlier could be a deal breaker for people who prefer a completely non-greasy feel before going to sleep. Is this product worth the investment? It depends. If you're already a fan of La Mer's high-end skincare and are looking for a nighttime treatment to really pamper your skin, this could be a fantastic addition to your routine. But for those on a budget or with less mature skin, you might want to explore alternatives that offer similar hydration and results for less. In comparison to other night balms in the market, La Mer definitely stands out in terms of prestige and its unique Miracle Broth. That said, there are high-quality products available that deliver similar skin benefits without the hefty price tag. Some alternatives might lack the same luxurious feel, but they do a great job at providing nourishment and hydration. In terms of build quality, the packaging is as premium as expected from La Mer. The glass jar feels sturdy and sophisticated, and the product inside is smooth and consistent. However, the jar can be a bit cumbersome for traveling, or if you're looking for something more practical for daily use. Customer support from La Mer is known to be solid, with the brand providing prompt responses and addressing issues when needed, though I haven't had to interact with them directly for this product. If you're on the hunt for similar alternatives, look into products like the Estee Lauder Advanced Night Repair or the Clinique Moisture Surge Overnight Mask. Both offer excellent hydration and are more affordable. To wrap things up, La Mer's Genaissance Le Balm Night Concentrate is an exceptional skincare product, offering deep hydration and anti-aging benefits. Its luxurious texture and performance make it an excellent choice for those looking for a top-tier night balm, especially if you have mature or dry skin. However, the price might be a bit of a hurdle for some, and there are alternatives available that offer similar benefits for a fraction of the cost. If you found this review helpful, please hit like, subscribe, and press the bell icon so other skincare enthusiasts can also find this video. Thank you for watching Beautyistic. You can find the link to grab this product in the comments box below. If you've used the Genaissance Le Balm Night Concentrate before or have any thoughts, feel free to share them in the comments. I'd love to hear your experiences. Until next time, stay glowing and take care of your skin the Beautyistic way.